I cannot begin to tell you how excited my daughter is about this hamster toy. Now, this hamster can run around all on its own or in its ball, or you can add additional accessories like a little hamster house. But this is how it comes. It has this plastic packaging around it. And if you look around, it does actually have a peel tab on one side. So you just want to peel it off. And then once off, it has one more transparent tab that also has a peel point on it. And then it has tape. And by tape, there's like 6 different pieces of tape going around this. And then when you finally get all the tape off, which I missed a piece, the hamster itself is actually connected to a platform as well. And you do need a tiny screwdriver to unscrew these that it does not come with. So this is a warning before you get this and hand it to your kids that it does take some prep work. Now it is really adorable, super soft little hamster. It has these cute little ears and this cute little tail, and the eyes are actually a little glittery. My daughter is going to love this. Now to turn it on, you actually press right here, almost between the ears. There's a little embroidered image there of little musical notes, and that's what will turn it on. And then you can have it run around just as it is or inside its ball. But there is one more thing you have to do before it'll turn on, and that is deal with the batteries. You need a tiny screwdriver again, and then you can pop open the bottom, and it needs 2 AAA batteries that it does not come with. Batteries are in, and now I can simply turn it on. It has a bunch of noises. The little feet are spinning. And if I put it down, it'll just start going. It's pretty cute, definitely noisy. If you put it in the ball, it muffles the noise a little more, but that's the best you can do with the noise. And in the ball, it'll roll around just like a hamster. It looks more like a hamster when it's in the ball, and it's pretty cute. I know my daughter's gonna love it. It'll probably freak out my cats, but it's a really fun toy once you get it out of its packaging. The mini hamster.